到底在为谁等待？无人内心潮白，期待会慢慢来，慢慢祝福一切。到底在为谁等待？无人内心潮白，期待会慢慢来。
每一次都是不一样的牛奶。现在穿着睡衣在客厅晒太阳喝咖啡。
Yeah, we've got our businesses there as well. Oh, awesome.
Hi, how are you?
Is the pretzel sold out?
I know, yeah, they have sold out already. I'm so sorry.
Because
it's been so
I'm too
busy.
late.
It's a mandarin and almond torte. So it's actually gluten-free, but it's just because we use almond flour and whole mandarins in the cake. So it's really light and fruity and delicious.
Oh. Looks so cute.
It's gorgeous, isn't it?
好可爱哦。我现在找到一个完美的地方野餐。这个很香哎，他说是类似橘子的口味。我刚刚长途跋涉来这里，我一路上忍着不吃它。他说这个是他们店里面最不甜的。不会太甜。吃起来像费南雪，然后上面的是 cream cheese， 有一点橘子的味道，超级好吃。这里的每个东西，每个烘焙的东西都很好吃。
到底在为谁等待？无人内心潮白。I've been searching for a dream to follow.
Avocado, tomato.
Yep.
Wow,
Try it.
looks so yum. 香蕉奶盖。今天是礼拜天，然后我很闲，所以我现在要来做酪梨切花。这些酪梨都是昨天我去市场之前认识的那个卖马铃薯的老板送我的。其实我本来就要买酪梨，然后我在他的摊贩那边挑酪梨的时候，我没有注意到他走过来，然后他故意撞我，我还想说谁啊？谁敢这样撞我？而且是撞很大力的那种，就是很明显是故意的。我就会有点生气的看是谁撞我，结果发现是他。他又把我拉走，就是把我本来挑好的酪梨全部放回去，然后把我拉到柜台里面。后来他又去拿了另外一边的酪梨给我，他说这个酪梨品质比较好，所以我就拿了免费的酪梨。会成功吗？好像有点样子哦。超难。好，我觉得应该会比刚刚那个成功，因为中间的部分我觉得是最难的，它太厚的话很难卷。哦，我觉得比刚刚那个还好哎。噔，好了，我的第二个酪梨切花。以第一次来说还不错啦，我很满意了，感觉还不错。我第一次买这个，一层一层的， 我觉得好，就这样，这样已经很多了。个玫瑰花比洛梨简单很多，可以塑形的感觉。我觉得我已经把最难的部分用好了。现在要组装这些东西。把洛梨花跟鲑鱼花移架到我的3种面包上。好了，我的假日早餐完成了，最爱的。刚吃完丰盛的早午餐，然后去游泳。
This wine is special wine. You need to drink with the whiskey bottle.
Cool.
This is beef stir fry.
Okay.
Red capsicum
Yes.
and
Cherry tomato.
Colorful cherry tomatoes.
Yes. And avocado.
Avocados.
Yes. Yes, orange one. It's so good. Because we tried on the class because our teacher that we try a lot of like dips, some avocado dips and like yogurt and beetroot. I don't like beetroot.
But beetroot is really healthy.
Yeah, but I don't like the some like more earthy flavor. I don't like that.
I love it.
Really, you love beetroot? Why?
It's healthy. If it's healthy, I love it.
You love healthy things. No, I don't like it.
It's kind of moving for me.
Really?
So
Why?
exciting. Anytime you can cut yourself.
No. Why?
And we're gonna add some capsicum.
I can do that.
You can. Alright, next one is yours.
Yes. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad. Yes.
You're not chef. It's good. Do you like spicy but not hot one? Like
I
black
love.
pepper and then
I love all spicy.
cumin.
Cumin. I like cumin. I like.
Alright, I'm putting
And then it's so yum. Yes.
some paprika,
Smoky flavor. What's that?
garlic powder,
Okay.
and then mix all. Let it melt. Maybe a little.
So smart. You can put in the oven. Why?
That's okay.
Chef, I don't want too much rice.
Is it enough? That's why I think it's maybe I put too much water or less water. I'm not sure.
Not bad. And then it's avocado time.
Yep.
How to do that? Yes.
I'm gonna waste my time too much.
Yes. Yes. Yes, it's yogurt time. Yes.
This is last time. And I put this on top of
Yeah,
food.
I want that.
You want on top
yes.
of it?
Well, I want that.
Is it alright?
It's alright.
Alright. Right now it's finished. Done.
Done. Yeah. Nice.
Can you see your food? You want me to open the light?
Yeah. Please. Please introduce your meal.
You see everything.